Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of This is Probably Going to Be a Terrible Idea. I'm your host Fonzie, and today what we're going to be working with is holographic microflakes, specifically mixing together every color of holographic microflake that we have in an effort to create a gorgeous kaleidoscope type effect on a car. What we're working on today is my old RS6. It's already got a black Plasti Dip base down on it right now. Let's jump into the project. Enjoy the video. So first, let's take a look at all the different holographic flakes that we're working with today. So first we have silver holographic, then gold holographic, then we've got burnt orange holographic, and then light purple holographic. Then we've got apple green holographic. And finally, lake blue holographic. So our goal is obvious. We're going to be mixing together each one of the different colored holographic microflakes in equal parts into glossy dip pearl top coat and then applying that mixture over our black base. But the main question is, will these different holographic flakes work together and create this amazing rainbow holographic effect, or are they going to fight against each other, become a cloudy, pixelated mess, and the car's going to look like crap? Well, you know the deal. There's only one way to find out. We're jumping in right now. All right, guys, we are all done with the project, and honestly, it wasn't as difficult as I thought. Sometimes when you're spraying flake, you can have a little bit of trouble dealing with stripes and cloudiness and stuff, but 5 grams a gallon for 6 different colors put us at 30 grams total per gallon, and that worked like a charm. We sprayed 4 coats of the flake mixture, then of course we had to seal it in with some extra coats of glossy top coat because that flake texture can poke through, but that just comes with the territory when you're spraying flakes. Now, did it work? Well, I haven't been able to get the car outside yet because it's been raining in Florida for 3 straight days, but I can see just from the booth light, I think we may have some magic on our hands. Let's go outside right now so you guys can check it out. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of car kits and colors to choose from. Thank you so much for watching. After you see the car, if you like it, like the video. It helps us out quite a bit. Also subscribe if you haven't already. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of This Is Probably Gonna Be a Terrible Idea. I'm your host, Fonzie, and today we're going to play with, what the fuck are we playing with? God damn it. Holographic figures. Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of This Is Probably Going to Be a Terrible Idea. I'm your host, Fonzie, and today what we're gonna be working with is fucking, what are we doing again? Kaleidoscope type effect on a car. Here's what we're working on. My old RS6, it's already got a black base coat. Let's jump into showing you exactly what the So the goal here obviously is to mix each one of our different colored microflaking, what's it called? Microflakes together in equal parts into glossy dip pearl top coat and then apply that mixture over a black base. And the big whatever I'm trying to say, I'm retiring.